Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Navien recirculation pump is making strange sounds like humming, rattling, buzzing or vibrating, it can quickly become annoying, especially when the noise suddenly starts appearing during hot water use. Sometimes the Navien recirculation pump noise may happen only for a short time, while in other situations it keeps running loudly and becomes impossible to ignore. This issue can happen because of trapped air, loose fittings, water flow problems, mineral buildup, or vibration around the system. Since a Navian recirculation pump is designed to move water smoothly and quietly, even a small interruption can create noticeable sound. The good part is that many pump noise problems can be reduced with a few basic checks before assuming something major is wrong. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix Navian recirculation pump noise. Step 1. Turn off the Navian recirculation pump briefly and inspect the pump area for unusual vibration. Step 2. Check the water flow connected to the Navian recirculation pump and confirm the pump is receiving steady circulation. Step 3. Inspect the pipes around the Navian recirculation pump and make sure the pump connections are secure. Step 4. Look for buildup near the Navian recirculation pump because the pump may become noisy from restricted flow. Step 5. Restart the Navian recirculation pump to refresh the pump operation after checking connections. Step 6. Run hot water again and confirm the pump noise has reduced or stopped during normal use.